be showing you guys that in the next clip. So keep watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, don't forget thumbs up as well. Also turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss nothing. Alright sis, bye. Hey guys, so welcome back. This is just from the previous clip. Like I show you how I achieved that look. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it. So starting off with a fresh face, of course, we are going to start out by moisturizing our skin. Make sure before you put anything in your skin, you want to moisturize your skin. So I'm just using Jergens lotion. I'm not gonna get all fancy with y'all. I'm like, oh, I'm using it. Nah, I'm using Jergens lotion. This is what we do. And then the next thing I'm gonna use is gonna be Vaseline for my lips because they get a little chapped. So be quiet. Tell something ashy. Alright, then the next thing, and also before, so you should most likely, if you have anything in your face or anything in your skin, what I like to do is I like to use Huggy wipes. I am a huge fan of Huggy wipes. They are $1 if you go to the dollar store. I don't use I've always been a Huggies fan. My mother used Huggies on me. I use Huggies on my daughter. So we just a Huggies family, and that's just what we do. Need some good wipes, just use Huggies because they get the job done, completely. They really do get the job done. I'm not. If I'm lying, I'm flying. Remember that? That's so funny. Anyway. So then we're gonna get into this. So I'm going to go ahead and use my More on Skin Prep that I used in my previous video. I use this. I got this from Amazon, like 20 bucks. It really does work for me. I wouldn't really recommend it if you have skin that is broken, or if you have really bad acne, because it may react to it. I'm actually breaking out on the side of my face, if you can kind of see that. And that's because I've just been stressed out, but I'm still going to go ahead and take my chances and use it because I know for a fact that my skin won't break out from it. So I'm just going to be applying that on my face. So you want to put enough, not too much, but you want to put enough on your face so that when the product is done drying up, it would just suction, it'll just a mask, it'll be ready, just snatch, ready for you. So you want to let that dry before applying anything else on it, and then after that I'm going to show you guys how I prep my face, because I do have very oily skin, oily skin, so I like to lay down powder, translucent powder after this whole stage. That's what I like to do. So the next thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use my Airspun that I got from Amazon as well. They also have these at Walgreens in different shades, natural, all the neutral and all that stuff like that, so it's really cool. But I got this from Amazon. It was $5 bucks. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead, I want to place this onto my skin. I was going to just let that dry up, but it's dry enough. So I went ahead and put this on my skin. So can I just get back into why my skin is breaking out? I just been so stressed lately. Truth be told, I hate my job, and that's why I'm breaking out. So let me just get into the details of it. So when you have a child and you're a parent, it's much more to just want to get up and quit a job. You can't just get up and walk out of your day job because you hate it. You can't just say, well, damn, I hate this so much and I'm going to just leave, and that's going to be the end of that. Because at the end of the day, when you go home, you still have your responsibilities. You still have that car note. Baby girl, you still got that home. So you can't just get up and walk out. You got to have a little bit of patience and all that. But I just been so stressed out, and just pray for me. They're if you have responsibilities, especially if you're parents, young parents, I say just keep on going and don't give up, because there's much more out there for you, just yet to come. I feel so don't just get up and quit. Sometimes you just have favor, sometimes you have to pray before you go inside, but don't be a quitter. So now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Super Stay that I always use, the warm coconut. Again, I explained this in the previous video. This is just my favorite foundation that I love. Whatever you do to this side, you're going to do this side. Whatever you do this side, you're going to do that side, okay? So also you're going to take it here. I'm going to take it. You don't want it to be all blotchy. And another thing, you don't want it to be really cakey. You want it to be very smooth, a very smooth transition when you're doing your foundation, because it avoid a lot of things like cakiness. It's like it draws like more oil to your skin, and you don't really want that. You want to just make sure that everything is like completely even out and really smooth. And I'm trying, like I said, so I applied those two things earlier, which was the liquid primer. So, and I also put the powder on. So you gotta hurry up and like move, because this stuff really will stick on you or dry. Your foundation will dry out, and then you know that's extra foundation that you have on that you really didn't need to put on.
I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to get into us. All I need is your time devotion.
Perfect.
I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, wanna
You don't want anything harsh going on around here. And then also, I really do not like those little lines that like when you go ahead and do your brows, it's like always that like little line right there. You want to go also and take your foundation, you want to go ahead and just blend that in the corners so that you don't have that line that you created where you created your cleanup for your underneath your brows. Like I said, you want to make sure everything is blended out. You don't even want lines underneath your brows like that. You really don't want those lines shown. I honestly feel like shadows kind of work better with your finger. And I am using, oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys, so I am using my Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette. I'm using it. I love this blue so much. And I just wanted to say that for my darker brown women and my brown women period, blues really look good on this. Like, no matter what blue it is, it looks so good on this. Like, it really compliments it. Except for blue lighting. Beyonce said no blue lighting, ladies. Don't look good. Beyonce said it. So I'm gonna stick to that.
Can't put blue lights on black girls. I can't trust them. They don't know what they're doing.
My Sasha Buttercup powder also with my Airspun powder. I'm gonna mix those two together and put into all my peaks where I highlighted underneath my eyes, my nose, my cupids, my underneath my lip, bottom lip, and up top of my forehead. So you want to take a small amount of baking is very important, but making sure that you're getting all that excess powder off is extremely important. It's as important as actually baking. You don't want all that powder on your face. You don't look ghosty. You don't have those backlashes in your pictures. You don't want to be like your girlfriend saying, girl, I told you so. I told you. You want to go ahead and you want to take your setting powder. I'm going to be using my Black Opal setting powder. I love this. It's so good. I use it all the time, every day. And you want to just go around the perimeter. You want to go around your spots and make sure that you go ahead and cater to your whole face. Even the areas where you also put your powders, because you just want to make sure everything comes together. Y'all are a team at the end of the day. Your makeup should work together, not against each other. Because at the end of the day, y'all have one job to do, and that job is to make sure you walk out that house snatch. Okay? Yes, lift the wigs up. Do what you gotta do. And as you saw, I went like literally like around the perimeter of my face with that. It's extremely important to do so because it gives you like this really cute glow when you do that. Using my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to contour my cheeks because I didn't use my black opal stick that I usually use.
A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
To go ahead and use my Anastasia dip. Showing off a little bit, just a tad bit. And I want to go ahead and do a little bit. I have confidence in this look, but it's starting to come together, okay? Okay, Roz, okay. Get it together, honey. Make it work. Look at that marriage, okay? And there's like zero fallout, like, okay. And now I'm about to do my lashes. And before you put on your lash, you want to make sure that it's completely dry before you go ahead and put that on. I'm going to pack a little bit more color in once I'm done this so that I can get the effect that I want to get. Just want to keep on packing that color in. Because I didn't put anything over it to like give it like that really gradient effect that, you know, people really yearn for. But I've just been trying to keep it on there. As popping as I can get it to be. Alright, now I think it's time to put this lash on. Wow. Feel amazing. Look amazing. So amazing. Nah, I'm about to nah. Brows are not even the same. Child, I tried it. Okay. This one is more up and this needs to come down. I was too happy for a second. Oh. Too happy. Got too happy with the brow did. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyeliner gel and I'm going to start eyelining real quick before I head out of here. Okay, perfect. To the gods. One moment. Thank you guys so much for watching me and my shenanigans. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. To my subscribers. And see you next time.